Peace and love, tribe. Welcome back to another episode of Queen's Alchemy, where we nourish the mind, body, and spirit. And today we're doing that right here in the kitchen. We're making something so good. Vegan Italian meatballs made entirely from mushrooms. Trust me, these are flavor packed and full of good energy.
Queen's Alchemy, Queen's Alchemy, Queen's Alchemy.
Now, first things first. Let's take the heads off these king oyster mushrooms and shred those stems down using a grater. You want a nice fine texture, so look at that. Once we got those shredded, let's set those aside in the bowl and let's move on to the portobello mushroom. You're going to grate these as well, and look at how beautifully they come out, fine, rich, and earthy. You know mushrooms are amazing for your health. They are packed with antioxidants, supports the immune system, and even helps out with gut balance. So not only are we creating something delicious, we're feeding our body a powerful plant medicine. Now let's go ahead and make our dry mix. We're going to add that chickpea flour and kamut flour into the bowl, and then we'll go in with all the seasonings. Whisk it all together until evenly combined, and then we're going to set that to the side. Next, we're going to grab your shredded mushrooms and place them in a strainer over the bowl. Once we do that, to press out all the excess liquid. Mushrooms hold a lot of water. This step is key to keeping the right texture, so make sure you don't skip this step. Once it's drained, add the mushrooms into the dry mixture. Pour in the cocoa aminos, the avocado oil, and then mix everything together until it's well incorporated. All measurements and ingredients will be listed in the description below, so check it out. We're going to take that mushroom liquid that we squeezed out earlier and add it to the mixture. Now you want it moist enough to roll, but firm enough to hold the shape. Once it's there, let it rest for about 30 minutes to an hour. That helps the flour bind and firm up. Now it's time for the fun part, y'all. Let's go ahead and scoop up a bit of mixture into your hands, roll it around, and form your meatballs. Look at that texture, firm, rich, and ready to go. Now let's heat up a little grapeseed oil in the skillet, just enough to lightly coat the bottom. Once it's hot, gently add in your meatballs to the pan and let them brown on each side. You're going to turn them very carefully so they don't fall apart, but also they can cook evenly all the way around. Make sure you're keeping your heat at a medium so you don't burn it, because here, patience is truly key. Now, as they brown, I'm telling you, the aroma here is everything. Savory, earthy, Italian-inspired perfection. And there you have it. Beautiful, golden brown, vegan Italian meatballs. So, you definitely can use these meatballs for any purpose at all. I'm going to be using these for a couple different dishes. I'm going to be using it for some meatball subs. I'm going to have some pasta and meatballs. You can freeze these. You can use them in other dishes. Today I'm making these. Actually, I'm preparing these so that I can have them for my zuppa Toscana soup that I'm making. And if you haven't checked out that video, preparing how to make a Olive Garden copycat vegan style zuppa Toscana. So if you haven't seen that video yet, I encourage you to go over and check out and see how I use those Italian meatballs that I created in that soup. So go ahead and check that out. In the meantime, I'm going to finish up these meatballs, and then I'll actually catch you on the next video. So thank you for being here. Hopefully you can make you some Italian meatballs, vegan style, and I'll see you then. Make sure you check out those other videos. You can check out this one here or this one over here. See you on the next one. Remember, here at Queen's Alchemy, we don't just nourish the body, we nourish the mind, body, and spirit. See you next time. Cheers.
Queen's Alchemy tribe is the vibe. Spitting peace and love on every live. The wisdom she holds is like no other. Bringing together every sister.